ask, what is Spirit's highest version of my vision at this time? And go into meditation. Just get still. And then ask, what does it look like? What does it feel like? What must I embody so that this can be realized? What must I embrace so this can be realized? And then what must I release that this can be realized? What may be blocking your vision from going fully, from you going completely and fully living your vision? What might that be? And let's release it. And you might have to release it several times. But I would say if you're getting nudged for the next level, it's time.